Watch this video and learn how to draw Olaf from Frozen.
Come on kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Wow.
Hello, Artie. How are you today?
I'm very well. How are you?
Well, I'm also very well, thank you.
Good. Yeah. Good.
Are you excited to make some art?
Very, very excited.
Are you ready to draw Olaf from Frozen? He's one of your favourites.
Yeah. Okay.
This is going to be really fun.
Yay. Happy, 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 happy.
Oh, hey everybody!
All right, Artie, it looks like you have your paper. Are you ready to draw Olaf?
Okay, yeah.
Well, come on, let's begin. This is going to be awesome.
Wow, what an awesome day to do some art!
My goodness, yes it is.
Well, Artie, Olaf's quite a simple character to draw. Let's start with his mouth. A big, smiley mouth shape. Draw another smiley mouth shape just below the first. Let's draw two little lines on the ends of the mouth. Now, Olaf has just one big tooth in the middle of his mouth. That's it, Artie. A one-tooth smile. Let's shade in the rest of the mouth black. You're doing a great job, Artie. Perfect.
Hey Betty, where'd you get those earrings?
Oh, thank you for noticing. They're from a local artist.
Oh,
Let's draw the left side of Olaf's head. A big curved line with a little hook at the top. Now let's draw an S-shaped squiggly line from the top of that hook. That's it, a nice S shape. Let's do another S shape coming down from the top of the head to the right side of the mouth. And now on the right side of the face, another big curved line with a little hook at the end. That's very good, Artie. Now let's start with Olaf's body.
Okay.
A little curve for the left side of his neck. Let's close the bottom of his head and give him a chin. Now it's time for the right side of his neck. Now let's connect those two lines across. Looking good, Artie.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvelous, darling.
Thank you, Louie. Now, let's draw the main snowball that forms Olaf's body. And a nice big curve along the bottom to close his body shape. That's a big snowball body. Are you happy with that, Artie?
Yeah.
Me too, I think it looks great. Let's give him some feet. Just two little U shapes at the bottom of his body.
I don't know what it's gonna be, but it sure looks good.
It really does, Mikey.
Now let's draw three rocks that form the buttons on the front of his body. Just three little circles and then shade them in black. Another circle above that in his body. That's right, Artie. Remember to shade it in black. And then one more circle in the middle of his neck. Now he has three nice shining buttons.
This is making me so happy.
Me too.
Now I think Olaf needs his twiggy arms. Draw a straight line coming out of the side of his body, and then draw 4 little fingers on the end. Make sure his arm is really skinny so it looks like a twig. Now let's shade the whole thing in black. Try your best not to go over the lines, but it's okay if you do. Even mistakes in art can look intentional. It's important to remember that there are no rules when it comes to art. Anything goes. Are you okay, Artie? What's up? You want a dance break? Okay, we can stop for a little while and have a dance break. Why not? Okay, Artie, go on. Go on.
Artie sure has the moves. Betty, do you want to dance with me?
I'm at a loss for words. It was just so beautiful, really. 10.
What a wonderful dance break, Artie. Wow, you sure have the moves. Okay, should we carry on and draw Olaf?
Okay.
Come on then. Let's draw his left hand and his left arm. 5 little fingers. And remember to make sure his arm is really skinny so it looks like a twig. That's it, Artie. Now shade his arm in black. You know, Artie, I think it may snow in a few days. We should build our own Olaf snowman if it does. Oh, I don't think he's listening to me, little artist. He's in his own world being very creative. Artie, come on. Let's draw Olaf's carroty nose. There's his nose. Now let's draw his eyes. Start with the top part of a circle on the left, and then the top part of a circle on the right. Let's come all the way round and complete the circle.
This is looking good.
Yes, it is.
Let's shade in the top part of the circle a little bit darker. That's looking great. Let's do the same on the left eye. Really good, Artie. Now let's draw 2 large circles inside the eyes and colour them in black. One on the right side. Very good. And now let's do one on the left side. Wow, Artie, it really looks like Olaf, but there's something missing. Oh, what is it, Artie? What's missing? Oh, that's right, Olaf's hair. Olaf has 3 straggly lines of hair. Well, it's looking pretty finished to me, Artie. Are you happy with it, Artie? It's time to colour it in, but Olaf doesn't have a lot of colour. I can't wait to see what you do.
Wow, that's amazing.
So impressive.
Oh, it looks so good, Artie. Are you happy with it?
Yeah.
I wasn't sure how you were going to colour Olaf in. You just did a pale blue to show the snow and an orange nose. Brilliant. You're such a great artist, Artie.
Hey, bye, kids. See you later.
Bye, kids. See you later.
Well, thanks for watching, little artists. We hope you join us again soon and have an Artie day. Bye-bye.
Wow.
Bye-bye.